What is felt and what is wet felting? Felt is non-woven fabric and it actually predates spinning, weaving, knitting, and crocheting. It is the oldest fabric known to man that has been created using man's hands. And wet felting is the process that we use now to create felt. And most commonly, the fiber that most people would be familiar with when they are wet felting is wool. But it is also possible to wet felt with quite a number of different fibers coming from animals. So things like alpaca, mohair, cashmere, these all also felt very well. So I'm going to share another video which explains about the wet felting process. In essence, however, it's laying layers of fiber of your choice at right angles to each other, adding soap and water, agitating with your hands until the fibers mingle and combine together. Then they shrink and they form this mat of non-woven fabric. Once the shrinkage process has occurred, it's not possible then to pull the fibers apart afterwards. And felt is amazing because if you actually cut into your felt, the edges don't fray. So that would be a different point than if you cut into the edge of knitting, for example, or a piece of woven fabric. You can unravel that. But when you cut into a piece of felt that has been made correctly, you will not be able to split the fibers back apart again because they have combined so well and they have been wet felted together.